benchmark in the world right now is 0 to 100 miles an hour in about 1 minute and 10 seconds. Granted, that's on high voltage AC, but there's no reason you couldn't do that on a DC system if you're not wide enough. I mean, the Flirt is not a particularly powerful train set. I think they're only maybe 4,000 horse for a 6-car set. You can do that on third rail. Difficult, but you can do it. Ooh, it's dark in here.
No way he's gonna be on the platform.
Just gonna run express to 125?
I think so.
I think it's running on the A tracks. That could be fun.
No way.
Doors are opening on this side.
Have their faces.
So we're going on to the 8th Ave after Rockefeller Center.
Wow.
Oh, there's Alejandro. Hey, you actually made it on there.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're right.
How do you manage to get here? Seriously.
It's pretty good running skills. It's pretty good.
Why would you take why do you take 4 trains? That doesn't make any sense. Yeah, you should have just stuck to the F. Oh man.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, they've redone a lot of signaling around 34th and now you're not gonna see that here, but you're gonna see West 4th and they redid signal. Yeah, there's track work over there.
So we're going to the A right now?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
interlocking the whole system, West 4.
Wonder how much of these are going to be gone, how many of these timers are going to be gone in the next few years with Byford and his. Yeah, it's funny, they get somebody from overseas to come and start looking. This is the first thing he says, why is it so flippant and slow?
Yeah, the thing is, the train operators know that people in lower management would know about. When they bring it to their higher ups, they're like, that they just say no for fear of politicians, for the culture.
Part of it was that they were simply trying to enforce a lot of the old posted speed limits because they didn't want to deal with rulebook slowdowns. Because a lot of the schedules, you couldn't maintain the schedule if you actually followed the posted speed limits.
Oh, and anyway, they just pad them. If you just look before a station terminal, it's like before Narita Avenue, you just hold there for 8 minutes. just so they give enough time so it's on time. They do this at many terminals. So,
well, most they run to a headway system here. They don't care about whether our trains are generally are if they're on time for the whole route. They just want to make sure that they're arriving every X minutes. My friend worked for NTA management and scheduling, and they care mostly about spacing, because that's where you have once you get bunching, you're screwed.
And then they fill that as well.
Yeah.
20-minute wait in rush hour at like 63rd, and then E-train comes because they finally realize there's no service.
Meanwhile, you take streetcar football, and the operator has a touchpad in the cab, showing him the stops, everything, all the timing, and a little thing up in the corner telling him how far behind schedule he is to the second.
Eric, you got me crabbed it again. I got my coat.
Okay, walk up front. Excuse me, if you turn sideways, the little people can see. Walk front, walk front. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you.
Welcome to call little people anymore. They might identify as big people.
Yeah. See what?
On the Express F or A? Okay, wow.
Let's go see that.
One stop to Bryant Park. One stop.
42nd Bryant Park.
Take this to Bryant Park to Junction 7.
So
Bryant Park to Junction 7.
the anger I lost, forgot my mount, but I don't get any viewers for these videos anyway, so.
1940 this train is built. No.
Adrian, you're good?
Yeah.
This is car 1802.
No, you're not. You're not. You're not. You're not. If you do it again, I'll do it to you. I You're not gonna do it again, are you? Don't put my middle finger up.
Shouldn't be a ride of a lifetime. And there's the reason we need full width cabs right now.
Yep. That's the thing. If there's automation, which it could happen in the future, it could. Yeah,
No, you
there's
just don't need a crew hangout in front of every train.
Yeah.
In fact, if
But even so, I'm not. There would need to be tons and tons and tons of retrofits in New York City. That's going to be at least 30, 40, maybe 50 years ahead, if at all.
or you just put a CCTV opto system in as well. SEPTA did that, and that works great.
Then you also have to deal with the fact that labor would never allow for it, and politicians are backed by labor, and it would never end.
We're not even scared.
Boston sacked the conductors.
Transit doesn't have as big an influence in Boston as it does in New York.
No, it's like 100 jobs. It's like 100. Diverging, right?